Hello brothers, so what's going on? Today video is going very special for Monday X holder because Foreign X change now. Yes, the Foreign X result gone starting and positive. Absolutely, Foreign X is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. And let's click out to how did you feel about Foreign X new today. So I'm going to click on the good and let's see to how many people click on good. If you can see here, this time 100% people are click on good but 0% on bad. What a brilliant shot. So this is good news for all of you guys. Fondi X starting and increasing, Fondi X gone up. Yes, Fondi X price change occur. You can see here this time the latest price. You can, if you check out the latest price as a 4.80 US dollar. What a shot, man. Fondi X price as increasing totally. Fondi X holder, congratulations. And a lot of holders telling me to sell, just sell. Fondi X is in losting, and I think we are totally and losting for totally not just for Fondi X is in losting. Crypto market is in losting. But a lot of YouTubers also tell you to sell, and just sell, especially make video for this to sell. But I think this is very big mistake if you sell it now. I cannot sell you any video. If you check out my previous video about Fondi X on my channel, please check out. I cannot say any video to sell it because I know this is crypto market and I hope today they're going down, so tomorrow they're up. So therefore I'm sorry to you sell it, but what I do, if you are a holder and if you have any plan to buy more, then I think this is good time to you buy more. So let's get started the price prediction of Fondi X, my brother. Please subscribe our YouTube channel if you are new on our channel. So guys, if you are Fondi X holder, if you are any crypto holder, then you understand first of all this to if Fondi, if any cryptocurrencies goes up, then people starting buying now. Yes, then people starting buying now. Then people, if a people starting buying now, then also then already currency has gone up, totally gone up. But if people starting selling now, then cryptocurrencies goes down. So this is the rules of crypto market. Yeah, this is the rules of crypto market. So therefore, if the people of Fondi X holder start selling, then absolutely Fondi X goes down. But if people starting buying now, then they are starting going up. So guys, this time you can see here, I think the buyers rate has gone increasing. The market cap also full diluted market cap. You can see here 4.22% they gone up. What a brilliant shot. But the volume of last 24 hours as 13.30, so they gone down, I think. Therefore, and the previous result is very bad for Fondi X. But and you can see here the latest a very good result. So therefore, I think this is very good day for Fondi X holder. You can see here the price is very gone very fastly increasing, and I hope they cross it 5 US dollar and they can increase very fastly. Yes, my brothers, please hold it and wait for the good time. I hope they give you a very good price. So please, if you have any plan to buy more, then buy it. This time is very good for you. Just buy it, hold it, and wait for the good time. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like if you like this video. Complete my 100 like and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.